jury in Colorado Springs has decided a man convicted of manslaughter yesterday will be sentenced as a habitual offender. The jury found Justin Kula guilty on several charges, including manslaughter for running over and killing a state parole officer in September of 2023. Kula will be sentenced in May. In Colorado, habitual offenders can receive a much longer sentence for their crimes. News 5's Maggie Bryan spoke with the district attorney today about the law in place that allows his office to keep repeat offenders in prison longer.
For 4th Judicial District Attorney Michael Allen, it's simple.
We know that if they're in prison, they're not going to be out hurting our neighbors any longer.
He says violent repeat offenders should serve a longer prison sentence.
If they don't change their behavior, then we're going to use a tool in the law that will allow us to make their behavior change by locking them up.
The tool he's talking about is Colorado's habitual offender law, which allows his office to lock in a longer punishment for prolific criminals.
We want to look for the worst offenders possible that we want to use these for.
It applies to anyone convicted of a class 1 through 5 felony or level 1 through 3 drug felony 3 separate times within 10 years. On the third conviction, their punishment could be 3 times the maximum sentence.
The law also outlines the punishment for some criminals who commit any type of felony 4 times. Their punishment can quadruple.
We saw this in the case of Devin Bobian, the man who was found guilty of causing the death of a Fountain police officer in 2023. And again this week for the man convicted of killing a state parole officer.
Those are perfect candidates to use habitual criminal statutes against.
While District Attorney Allen says his office uses the sentencing law carefully, he believes it's an important tool for increasing public safety when other rehabilitation services are not effective for keeping someone out of trouble.
They've probably done probation, they've probably been on parole at some point, and they're still showing this willingness to commit violent acts even after going through all those services that the criminal justice system can provide to them. And if they continue to commit these violent acts against the community, then we'll look at them as potential candidates for habitual criminal charges.
In Colorado Springs, I'm Maggie Bryan, News 5.
Maggie, thank you. Habitual offender laws in Colorado date back to 1929. That's what the Colorado Legislative Council staff told me this afternoon, but I learned the current law was enacted back in 1993. I also looked into how the law's success is measured. District Attorney Michael Allen told us it's difficult to measure its success because of how individualized these cases are, but he reiterated the law does make communities safer.
Because they've shown this history of hurting people over time, we know that if we lock them up, they're not going to continue hurting people down the road.
Christine Guerin Sandoval was a long-standing member of the law enforcement community in southern Colorado. A few weeks after her death, members of the law enforcement community gathered in Pueblo to honor her life. Officer Sandoval was a member of the Pueblo County Sheriff's Office from 2007 through 2019. She was also awarded the 2018 Law Enforcement Officer of the Year. She left behind her husband of 33 years and 2 children. She was also the oldest of 3 sisters.
Sister, I can't believe you're gone. You took a piece of my heart with you. And I hope you're with Daddy, because I know how much you missed him. Please watch over us.
Oh, heartbreaking to hear her. Governor Polis also attended the event and gave Sandoval's family a flag that once flew over the state capitol.